everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney, and we are here at the Legoland Hotel, and we're getting ready to take you on a room tour in our pirate-themed room. So come on, let's go in and check it out. Okay, so we are in room 213 in the pirate area of the hotel. So let's take a look in here. So take a look at this. Me matey. Be that a key to the treasure I see? Adults keep out, because this be the kids part of the hotel room. So check this out. Very well decorated in Lego pirate theming. So we have a Lego minifigure there, a pirate minifigure guy down here. We have a Lego head, a minifigure pirate up here. We have this cool TV screen. It kind of is the minifigures playing around. It says it's the Legoland Hotel hallway, pirate hallway, and it shows some minifigures playing around out in the hallway. Kids can watch that. Some different camera angles. There's a little game down here. If kids want to play around with that and kind of match up the different decals to create the pirate ship. And then we have a bunk bed set over here for your little ones to sleep on. And it's kind of themed to look like a pirate ship. Got the cannon firing out there, and then skull and crossbones. So very, very cool theming here in the children's part of the hotel room. We come out here. Got a cute little monkey right here, made of Legos. And then one of the cool things about the Lego Hotel is they have this treasure chest, or treasure hunt, waiting for the kids when they come in. So the Legoland Hotel treasure hunt, there's some questions here for the kids to answer. And when they figure those questions out, they come back here to this box where the monkey is at. There's a code for them to put in. It opens up this treasure chest, and they get a prize that is theirs to keep. So that's pretty neat. I want to draw your attention to the carpeting all throughout this room. Very cool. Starfish and treasure and cannonballs and bottles, and all really cool. Looks like you're walking on a pirate ship deck. So very, very neat theming there. Over here we have Legos right in the room for your kids to play with and keep them entertained. Ice bucket, of course, some extra storage and such down here available to you. Flip around this way. So there's a safe down there, some other storage areas available, some extra sheeting up there. There's an iron, some hangers, an ironing board, and there's cart thing to put your luggage on. Spin around here to the bathroom. We've got some more theming going on here. So we have a pirate hat made of Legos, really cool. It's really neat mirror. Hello. It's pretty cool. They have their own themed Lego land resort conditioner and body lotion and shampoo and soap. We have this neat picture here of the captain taking off with some treasure into his boat. And then we have this neat shower curtain. It's got the captain fighting off a shark, and then a mermaid over here ready to do some battle as well. It's a kind of a basic shower, so nothing too fancy here. Does have a wand that comes off. Pretty nice looking shower head on there. And then there is some shower gel in here as well, some bath gel. And then continuing on here in kind of the adult part of the room, there's some more theming. It's a king size bed available. And then there's some throw pillows there with skull and crossbones. This kind of throw across the front with skull and crossbones. Continue that pirate theming. We have some pirate theming wall art. There's a kind of skull and crossbones made of Legos over here on the wall. We have a butterfly over here made on the wall. Adults can watch the antics in the hallways as well. We have dragonfly over here made of Legos. There's some border across the ceiling with skull and crossbones. There's a mini refrigerator here available for you. There's some Dasani water they give you. There's a Keurig with some different things. Looks like some coffee and some tea and some hot cocoa mix and some cups. And a few little drawers down here on the desk available for you to use. And then it looks like, let's take a look over here. So it looks like some basic plugs, none of the like USB style, but basic plug-ins on the desk, on the nightstand. Walk around over here to this side. Yep, looks exactly the same. And then a couple of nice lamps, kind of like lanterns along the side of both sides of the bed. So this looks really great. I want to show you there's a full-length mirror here as well to help you when you're getting dressed, getting ready to head to the parks. So fantastic room, super excited about this. I want to show you our view too. We have a nice view of the pool. So there's the pool area right outside. So a couple additions I wanted to add to our room tour here that I missed until we got settled. So first thing is we opened up our bar of soap here, and check this out. The bar of soap is actually a Lego brick. How cool is that? What a cool little addition to add to the room and kind of bring in that Lego feel. And then also right over here at the toilet, check this out. There is a built-in child seat. How cool. Another addition we notice is also here in the children's room. Down here below is actually a third bed. So there's a pull-out bed down here below the other two beds. We are getting ready to do our treasure hunt and find our secret treasure in the room. Jim, are you excited?
Yeah.
Mommy, are you excited?
I am. I can't wait to see what's inside of here.
All right, let's hit it.
Okay, so we've got this Legoland Hotel treasure hunt. So we've got to know your name first. What's your name? Gemma, okay. Gemma, what is the first digit of our room number? Let's see, we're staying on floor number 1 or number 2? Do you remember?
Number 1.
Number 2. Okay. How many peepholes are in the room door? Let's look over here. Let's pick you up and see. How many holes do you see? This is 1 hole and this is 2. So that's our next number. Under the TV in your room, there is a puzzle. When you solve the puzzle, what is the number shown?
Ooh,
this one looks
gotta
tricky.
do the puzzle.
Might be able to figure it out with you.
Match it up. Oh.
Okay, maybe that. Okay, so I don't see a number that way. Maybe we should turn it around because I just see skeleton bones. Oh, keep right there. Don't stop spinning, okay? Oh, okay, let's see. I think it's the number 5, but let me finish it and see. Oh. What do you think, Daddy? Does it look like the number 5? Like, kind of? Very intense 5?
Looks like an intense 5. I can see it. I can see what you're saying.
So let's go ahead and try 5. It says, now that you've solved the clues, turn the numbers on the chest and discover the treasure. Let's look over here by the monkey. Can you hold the paper for me? Hey, there's a little lock on here. I feel like I'm in an escape room. Okay, so let's see. Gotta put it. The first number is, do you remember what number there is?
1.
Is that a 2?
2.
Can you say 2?
2.
And then say 5.
5.
Oh, look, Gemma. Lock open.
What's it gonna be, Gemma?
So
Oh
we're gonna pull
my!
it.
Oh,
Can you
this
lift
looks
it
so
over, pull it
exciting!
open? What's inside?
Oh my! Look at all
Pull
that
it out.
treasure!
Wow!
Whoa! Juice boxes,
2 apple juices. What else is in there?
2 Lego sets.
Oh,
Whoa!
And 2 magazines.
2 magazines.
Lego Live.
Wow!
Awesome. Thank you, Monkey, for the treasure.
Whoa! What do you think, Gemma? Was that neat?
Yeah.
Awesome!
Yay!
Woo!
Yay, we did it!
All right, so we wrapped up the scavenger hunt. Katie and Gemma are here working hard, putting together her Lego reward. So super fun, super great thing if they add here into the room for the kids to have an awesome time. Just another little perk for this Lego hotel. I ask, is this something they put in the room each and every night that you're here? The person that for us said no, but each and every day, the housekeeper will put a special treat on the children's pillow that they'll find. So we'll wait and see what that's going to be tomorrow. And we came back from our day at Legoland, and Gemma had a new surprise on her bed. She had a new Lego build, 2 sets with a penguin and an elephant inside, juice boxes. How cool is that? All right, that's gonna wrap up our room tour here of a pirate room at the Legoland Hotel. Remember, like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. And until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye, guys.